Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to import .ogv file format in Adobe Premiere Pro. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see .ogv. Now drag and drop in Adobe Premiere Pro like this. Now you see file is not added. Back to folder. So we are going to change video file extension to .mp4. Now you see .ogv. If you don't see .ogv, on top you see view, so click on it and then enable this option, file name extension. Now right click on it and then rename. Now you see OGV, remove it and then add mp4. Now click on it, again click on yes. Now you see video file format change. Now drag and drop in Adobe Premiere Pro like this. Now you see file is added. So in this way you can import .ogv video file in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.